Helly Hansen is a global leader in the manufacture of high-end work safety clothing. From life suits for the Canadian Navy to life jackets for your dog. And they call Halifax their home for their Canadian marketing distribution. I'm Craig Layton. This is a smart city. I'm about to meet Dan Clark, CMA President of Helly Hansen Canada. Now, this guy, he's a black belt. He loves his golf clubs. You know, so this is a guy you don't want to mess with because personal safety is on the line, and that's what this company is all about. Here at this facility, you test everything. You rip, pull, explode your product, and make sure that it's right and safe out in the world.
We want to keep you dry, safe, and warm at your work, no matter where you work. On the water, in the water, by the water, up a tree, down a mine, up a pole. We want to make sure that it's ready for whatever you want to put it through.
Whatever I want to put it through.
I got an idea to put you through something here today.
Oh, okay.
This is the most important stage of servicing a survival suit. This is the test station to make sure that it has absolutely zero leaks. So we make sure that there's a good fit.
What's this do? Comfy. Down he goes. It has performed its duty for the day. So is this the suit I'm actually going to wear and test in the pool?
That's right. We're going to put you in this suit. We've just tested it. We've made sure it's not going to leak. We want you to get in the pool and survive.
Oh, woo! Oh, it's like being in my bathtub.
Perfect. Release your life jacket all the way down. And then if you are underwater, you have a 2-minute air supply with you as well to help you survive.
Whoa.
Craig, you're a great test subject. You're still dry, right? There's one more thing that we need to test, Craig. So if you'll put the duck down and just come this way. There are 2 tabs here. There's one tab here. Nope, this tab right where my hand is.
Okay.
And then that tab there. Now just extend it. Keep pulling. That's it. And that will keep your face dry as you're in the waves. And waves are crashing over top of you. The Helly Hansen brand is based in a maritime tradition. And it was started in 1877 in Norway. Well, Halifax gives us a base of operations near an ocean-free port where we can get our goods and fabrics in all year round. Nova Scotia has a great history in fishing and outdoor exposure, and all those factors combined made Halifax an ideal place to
So it's a natural evolution. You see these on the road sometime, right? With the reflective bands. What's the difference? Why is there an X on the back and lines on the front?
A worker needs to know, is their partner facing them or against them? If that person's not facing you, you know for sure, and if they're in imminent danger, you can let them know. We design a specification that would meet a national standard. Through the design process, we build a garment. We then make sure that it has great integrity. We don't want to just meet a standard, we want to make sure we exceed the standard, and we want to be the leaders of developing those standards with the end users to make sure that their workers are safe.
I look behind me, I see this massive place here. The thing that really stands out to me, I see bodies of human beings doing so many things. How many people do you guys employ here?
We employ 125 people. The garment is assembled in a logical way. As we cut it on our cutting tables, it then goes into cut racks. When the order is ready to hit the floor, it's placed into carts, and it starts down the process of the floor. The employees are putting the goods together. We'll check every snap, we'll zip every zip, we'll tie every tie, we look at every seam. They're doing quality checks. 1/4% of our sales is what we approve for effective goods.
Yeah.
We've never hit that number.
The material is there.
This is a full cut and sew operation. We cut the fabric by hand. We assemble it by hand. We package it by hand. We have a huge number of our workers that have been here for a great number of years. And when they see our product on the street, they have a lot of pride in seeing what they built. We train our people from the ground up here. No helibots here.
No helibots.
We're willing to pay you right from day one from the interview stage. The interview in the office is very short. We want to maximize your time to be placed at machinery and start to feel what it would be like to work here.
Okay, so if I wanted to be a straight stitch sewer for Helly Hansen and I applied for a position, they would bring me in here and they would sit me down right now and get me to do it and give me some hands-on experience of what it'd be like. Oh! Well, on the plus side, I still have my fingers. So maybe being a straight stitch seam sewer isn't in my cards for Helly Hansen. Thanks for having us out here. Helly Hansen, manufacture, innovation, safety is our #1 policy, and it's all happening right here in Halifax. I'm Craig Layton. You've been watching A Smart City.